Welcome to the arc length and sector area calculator, which computes arc length, sector area, and chord length from a circle's radius and central angle. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have radius, r, where you enter the radius value. Next is central angle, where you enter the angle value. Notice there are no units specified in these fields, so ensure you're consistent with your unit system throughout. For our demonstration, I'll enter 10 for the radius and 10 for the central angle. After clicking Calculate Arc Length and Sector Area, we get 3 results. Arc length, S, equals 100,000, which represents the curved distance along the arc. Sector area, A, equals 500,000, giving us the area of the pie-shaped sector. Chord length, C, shows negative 19.1785, which appears to be an error since chord lengths cannot be negative. This suggests the calculator may have an issue with the current inputs or calculation method. These tools are essential for designing curved components, calculating material requirements, and solving circular geometry problems in engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.